Hi, today we will discuss about measuring mass. Mass is one of the fundamental quantities in physics and the most basic property of matter. What is the mass? It is the amount of matter that an object is made up of. And the SI unit of mass is kilogram and its symbol is kg, both short letters. Then in our day-to-day life, we use lot of sub-multiples and multiples of the SI unit of the mass, that is a kilogram. One of the most common sub-multiple is gram. 1000 gram makes the 1 kilogram. One more sub-multiple generally jewelers use, that is a milligram, and 1000 milligram makes the 1 gram. Merchants, traders use a multiple of the kilogram, that is 100 kg is equal to 1 quintal, and 10 quintals or 1000 kg is 1 metric ton. Let me understand how to measure this mass. We use in our day-to-day life different devices like beam balance, physical balance, electronic weighing machine, etc. This is the picture you might have seen many a time when you go to buy the uh, vegetables or the fruits. The vegetable vendor or fruit vendor, he might be using this type of the instrument, that is a balance, for weighing the fruits and vegetable, and this is a beam balance. Let me understand more about the beam balance. Yes, you can see here the picture of the beam balance. Beam balance is made up of the a very strong beam. Generally it is made up of the iron. And at the center of this beam there is a loop is there, and inside the loop the pointer will be there. And to a pan, again it generally the iron pan will be there. These pans are attached to the two different ends of this beam by using the string. Both the pans are of equal size and mass, and the string is also which is used to attach these pans to the beam. It is also of the same mass and the same length it is used. What is the principle of beam balance? When two bodies with equal mass are placed on the two pans, they secure a state of horizontal balance of the beam. And that time when the two equal mass objects are kept in the beam balance and the two pans, this beam will become the horizontal and the pointer is vertically straight. That is the principle of beam balance. Now to measure this mass in the beam balance, we use the standard stones. These are the standard weight stones are there, which comes into the different uh, weights like 1 kg, 500 gram, 200 gram, 100 gram, 50 gram, 2 kg, 5 kg, 10 kg also availabilities. And according to the weight, whatever the things they want to measure, these standard weights are used. Sometime you might have observed 250 gram when the vendor want to weigh, he will choose 200 gram stone and the 50 gram stone. Two stones he will give. So whatever the mass we are getting, the vegetable or fruit, that is a accumulation, total, some total of these stones which are used together. One more thing I want to tell here. In our day-to-day life, we are using the word weight, but that is actually the mass. That is actually the mass. The what we are taking, like 1 kg, 2 kg vegetables or fruits we are taking, that is actually the mass of the fruits or the vegetable we are taking. That is not the weight. But in common word we are using the word weight. Now this beam balance have the few features which make this beam balance very accurate. First point, the both the pans should be the equal mass. And second, the arms are of the equal length. Third, pans are suspended with the string of equal length and the mass. And the fourth point, the beam is horizontal and the pointer is vertical when nothing is placed on either pans. So both the pans are empty. The beam should be horizontal and the pointer should be vertical. If it is slanting the beam in any one side, then this beam balance is not accurate, but it should be the horizontal. And again, you might have seen with other vendors nowadays, vegetable or fruit vendor, this type of the balance is used. This is the modern version of the beam balance where actually the beam is not there. But the two pans are there and there's a pointer is there in the loop, and that pointer will be the vertical when the both the balance, the both pans are balanced. The quantity, the mass of the object in the both the pans are balanced. Yes, you can see here. And generally by convention, the object which we want to measure the mass will be kept into the right side of the pan, and the left side of the pan generally the weighing stones are kept. Now physical balance. This is physical balance is the what you can see, the modified and highly sensitive version of the beam balance. And it is used into the laboratories, mainly the physics laboratories and the chemistry. Mainly in the chemistry laboratory it is used, where the very accurate measurement of gram or milligram quantity of the chemicals or the object we need to measure it. And that's why this very accurate and sensitive version of the beam balance, that is a physical balance, is there. And as you are seeing here, this beam balance is fixed into the wooden box which is closed all the side with a glass. And there's this glass doors we can actually the open and keep the things which we want to measure, and keep the standard stones also. Standard weighing stones also we can keep it. And this is a very accurate and very sensitive version. Again, nowadays the modern way of weighing mass or measuring the mass is by using the electronic weighing machine. And this electronic weighing machine also you might have seen many places, in the jeweler shop, in the malls also, to weigh the grocery or the vegetables in the most of the malls. And sometimes even the vegetable vendors also have this electronic weighing machine. These electronic weighing machines are very accurate. And this to weigh the objects in the electronic weighing machines, we don't want standard stones, standard weight stones we don't want here. But the mass of the object is directly displayed on the LCD display panel. And these are more accurate one. But yes, these are the little costly also. But compared to the beam balance, electronic weighing machines are more accurate. Thank you for watching video. Please like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.